I know I'm going to say his last name wrong. I've never gotten it right. I just saw the announcement that Rene Auberjonois has passed away at the age of 79. I am absolutely in shock, and utterly heartbroken. I first got to know of his work through what would become one of my favorite series, Star Trek: Deep Space Nine, when I was 12 years old. I had no idea who was behind that rubber mask. I had no idea the story they were about to start telling, that cold night in January of 1993. But I'm glad I took that ride, and I'm glad I got to learn about Rene more and more over the years. I would make a point of watching anything I saw he was in, even if it was just a few episodes, because he was in it. Heck, I even watched Pound Puppies, I think it was called, when I was 34, just so I could hear him perform again. It was a treat whenever he would guest star in a show. Be it in other genre series shows like Stargate SG-1 or the prequel series, Enterprise. Or his enjoyable performance as Paul Lewiston on Boston Legal, working with fellow Trek alumni William Shatner. By all accounts, he was kind and giving to his fans. I wish I could have met him in person. Shaken his hand, but I'm so proud that we at least exchanged a tweet or two over the years. His performance as Odo shaped a lot of my young adult years. I'm not the most attractive man on the planet. I'm certainly not the most physically gifted. And I'm absolutely not the first person someone would point at and say, he's pretty normal. I have always been the unusual one, and thanks in large part of Rene's portrayal of Odo, I've always taken pride in my strangeness. My uniqueness. My perspective as the outsider. In later seasons, the soul-wrenching performances he gave strengthened my own quest to also find the love of my life. His performance showed that no matter how strange or unusual I am, if I am true to myself and true to those around me, eventually I would find her. Thank you for the memories, Rene. Thank you for the motivation. We are going to miss you. And now the drop becomes the ocean.